I love sandwiches, and to keep me excited and looking forward to them, I make them in different ways so I don't get bored. This is the first of a series of videos where I share some interesting sandwich and toast recipes. I'll be using these ingredients to prepare my favorite sandwiches and toast. The first one is this yummy club sandwich. Great for breakfast, brunch, and it's also a great addition to your lunch pack. Here are the ingredients you will need. The egg needs to be hard-boiled but not overcooked. Scrape the carrot, mash the sardine and a piece of butter together. Set them aside. Then prep the rest of the ingredients like so. The aim is to chop these as tiny as possible. Sometimes I even grate the cabbage, anything to make it very smooth and supple in the mouth. Use an egg slicer to chop the hard-boiled egg in all directions, vertically, horizontally, diagonally, and tangentially. If you watched up till here, it means you are enjoying this recipe, are you not? Please click the like button to send me a virtual alert. Next, add a generous amount of mayonnaise to make them come together like a spread. Chop off the edges of the slices of bread to keep them, presentable. But don't throw them away. I'll show you how to put them to good use in the next video in the series. cut them up like so. You can serve them immediately or leave them in the fridge to chill a bit before serving. Don't forget to add chilled fruit juice or hot chocolate. Watch out for the remaining ones in upcoming videos. Yum, yum, yum!